Okay, I'm going to try this. I'm going to try drilling some screws into this so that I can just hook it onto the screws on either end. And this thing will keep flipping over. You need to be able to hold it tightly. Of course, this is not the Mayan way, but it's going to work. Okay, now let's see what we can do. Back on this tripod thing. It's like sitting you down in your car seat and putting you in the swing, so I can work without you being in the way. If you would, maybe. But you aren't. Okay, now we'll try this again. I have it all tied up here. Okay, so I've got one piece. We'll put it around. And the idea is to have it close, so I can just... Okay, let's see if we can change the way this whole thing is set up. If I hold it on like that, then it's not going to be able to undo. As long as I can get it on here too. Yeah, see, that won't undo. Okay, so that's what we need to do, is put my loop here. There. Okay. Now, let's go a little tighter. We'll hook it again. There. Okay, now we can have some tension. Of course, now I can lift this up from the ground because I'm all tied up. Okay, the tripod is on this rope. Okay, now let's see if we can do this properly. Okay, so now, which side are we on?